Movement within the examination center. Number of people in the elevators to be restricted. Provision of wheelchairs to be ensured and disinfected regularly. In case of a PWD candidate availing a scribe, both the candidate and scribe must wear masks and sit within adequate physical distancing. Institutions to adopt contactless processes like QR code, online forms, digital signatures. Adequate arrangements for safe drinking water to be made. Seating arrangement in the exam hall to follow social distancing. For pen and paper based tests, both examinee and invigilator to sanitize their hands prior to distributing and accepting question papers and answer. The answer sheets to be opened up after 72 hours post collection of papers. Use of spit or saliva for counting or distributing sheets to not be allowed. Sharing of personal belongings or stationery to not be allowed. For online or computer-based examination, the systems to be disinfected using alcohol wipes before and after examination. Record of all exam functionaries or examinees to be maintained for future reference and traceability. For air conditioning or ventilation, the guidelines of CPWD to be followed. Temperature setting to be in the range of 24 to 30 degrees Celsius. Relative humidity to be in the range of 40 to 70%. Recirculation of air to be avoided. Intake of fresh air as much as possible. Cross ventilation to be adequate. Topic: Sanitation and hygiene. Examination hall and other common areas to be sanitized before and after examination. Effective and frequent sanitation within premises with a focus of lavatories, drinking and hand washing stations or areas. Cleaning and regular disinfection of frequently touched surfaces to be made mandatory. Students and staff to dispose of used face covers or masks in covered bins available at the center.